Wait, am I recording? What the heck? Oh, hello guys. Welcome back to another video. We haven't done one of these in a long time, or in about a month, and I thought this was a series for me that would keep on going, but I've heard there's been a couple of new updates. What? That's unfair! God! Dude, how did I die? I like glitch. What happened? I hope no one saw that. Cutting that up right now. Anyways, guys, I'll get to you when they're done. You see? But now the plank is there. How did that even happen? What the? This game, man. Oh my god. Why? Dude. Oh my god. guys, this game's hard. I'm sorry for my language right there, because almost I couldn't even speak right. But now let's start voting. You're about to hear me start clicking, alright? 3. Whoa. 3 new chapter. No, I don't want to pick the hood. I don't want to vote for the hood. No. Alright guys, I guess we're doing chapter 9. No one, I swear, if anyone picks an infection, I'm gonna cry in my bed. Okay. No! Alright, player has been selected. That's what I picked. Why? Look, you see, it's the guy above me, but it's not me. Life is unfair, dude. I wanna be Piggy. I wanna be Siggy. There it is! Our safe place! They'll be pretty surprised that we found someone. Who did we find? The last episode we left off in. We go. Okay. The fat pig is about to wake up. That's right. Subscribe for more roads. Those are roads. Please go away. Go. Okay, I didn't swear actually. I just said there's something I do when I try to. Never mind. I'm lagging. Does anyone feel this lag? Oh wow, now I can run fast. Emoji. Oh no. Oh god, how did I not die? You know, you could survive this huge, gigantic fall right here, but you can't survive a 10 feet fall from chapter 1. See, you can't die in this chapter. That's the whole point of life. You will never die. Did you guys like that? I like that. Boy. So last episode, we beat chapter 8, right? No, I don't have the virus. I just fake sneezed. Ooh, I want that. Give me mine. Minecraft. Oh god, I'm on fire. Oh heck no, I'm on fire, dude. Can I kill myself? I don't like being up here. How do I get down? How do I get down? Seriously. This is not a joke. I want to get down. Can I kill myself? Oh, I don't think I can survive that fall. No way. Ooh. Is that it? Is that it? I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Oh my god, I can finally stop lagging. I don't want this high, huge ground. God, dude, what the heck? Alright, so my stroke's over. Oh. Wait, what was that? No! Stop! Don't look at my settings. Please don't. Don't please get my core 23. Oh, sorry guys. Welcome back to another episode of episodes. Why is there 2 lasers? I don't like this. What is this? What are we in? Let's go. Stop. Give me watch time. I need you to watch my entire video. No. Oh, yeah. Yes. Intermission. Roxanne. I actually want to do this party on like. Oh man, I can't say the word. Because then I'm gonna get demonetized even though I'm not gonna get demonetized actually. I'm just saying things. Pick outpost. Pick my map. I created outpost. I outposted this map. No! Why? Why does everybody not pick what I want? Pick bot. I want the bot. I want bots. I want the bot. Give me your bot. I will eat your bot. Hey guys, you have a bot friend? Because I don't have a bot friend. Birdie Bank. I have Birdie Bank. Can I survive this fall? Oh, no! Stop! This is unfair. Burritos. Well, guys, that's it for today's episode. Burritos. My head is stuck. But that's alright, guys. I'll find a way to get out of this stupid situation. Oh god, the situation's getting worse and worse by the moment. Get my head out of here. I don't like this. Oh god, I'm just ending my recording. Okay? Help! Please, I'm stuck. My head's stuck. Hey, don't run away. Please, my head's stuck. No!